What do you got, Clara? Does that have your name on it?
Yeah.
Where does it say your name?
Here.
How do you spell your name?
A2.
A2? Well, that's what's on the box, right, but how do you spell your name?
A.
No. That's not what your name is. What's your name? No. How do you know? Yeah, how do you know it's for you if you can't find your name? What? Alright, should we open it?
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta get the tape off of it.
I already cool, Mommy.
You think it's gonna be cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try to open this with one hand. Wait. Oh boy. Toy? Whoa, you... What's that? A fox? You know what that is. A horsey. A duck. Whoa. What is it? A bat, right. Wow. It's a cat. What is that? What is that? It's a pelican. What? Look at all these. A raccoon. Wow. What is that? A gecko? I think so. Boy, look at all these. Oh my goodness. What is that? A mouse? I think it's a rat. Monkey? Lion? What is that?
I don't know.
Let me see. Is that a mouse?
Yeah.
Or a koala bear, maybe?
A tiger. A goose.
A goose.
A snake.
A snake. Cool. Wowee.
A hippo.
A hippo. Good.
A sheep.
A sheep.
Another sheep. Sheep.
A herd of sheep. What is that? Kangaroo? It's a joey. What did you drop on the floor? Oh, the birdie. It's a robin. I think I see one more in there. A puppy dog. Looks like Moo.
Yes.
Holy moly moly. It's a moose.
A moose.
Oh my goodness. What's that?
I don't know.
It's a black bear. A baby sheep?
Yeah.
puppy dogs.
Yeah. What
What is that?
I take it.
Penguin. Jeez. What is that?
Dog.
What is that?
A dog.
A ladybug. Wow. There's so many things. I think those are just tags.
You happy?
Wowee.
Thank you. Oh,
there's a card.
a puppy dog.
Can you open it? Can I help you?
Hey, let's say, Mommy.
Let's see. It says, well, it looks like there's a note for me and for Clara. So I'll read it to you after I'm done recording, okay? Can you say thank you very much? Do you like all your animals? You gonna play with them all?
Yeah.
All right.
You
Yeah, I'll play too. Okay? All right. Thank you, great grandma and grandpa. Wowee.
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 Yeah, gecko. I got for Daddy.
You gonna show Daddy your gecko?
Yeah.
Okay.